Hello, welcome back, my dear students of class 8. Dear student, I am your science teacher and I am going to conclude the chapter 15, that is light, with the assessment exercise that is given on the page number 271. So let us start assessment exercise from chapter 15 of the page number 271. Chapter 15. Chapter 15, page number 271. So you have to do the exercise according to this video, and you will get the PDF of the complete book exercise along with this video again. So chapter is light. Now let us start question one by one. First of all, multiple choice questions, and multiple choice question MCQ. First of all, let us start MCQ. So dear student, in MCQ there are several questions. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Let's start exercise with these 5 questions. Further we will carry on other questions. So question number 1, the angle between an incidence ray and the normal is 30 degree. Okay, the angle between the incidence ray and the reflected ray is, this is the question, and you can understand this question by understanding a diagram. That suppose this is a ray diagram. तो आपके क्वेश्चन में ये पूछ रहा है कि अगर इंसिडेंस रे और नॉर्मल के बीच में 30 डिग्री है, सपोज दिस इज द इंसिडेंस रे आई आर, और ये हो गया नॉर्मल, तो पूछ ये रहा अगर ये 30 डिग्री है, इफ दिस इज 30 डिग्री, देन व्हाट विल बी द एंगल इन बिटवीन इंसिडेंस रे एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. तो ये अब ये रिफ्लेक्टेड रे हो जाएगी. सपोज दिस विल बी द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. तो इसमें क्या होगा, ये पूछ रहा है ये टोटल एंगल कितना होगा. सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, 10 की कैलकुलेशन इज सिंपल. एंगल आई इज इक्वल टू एंगल आर. सिंस एंगल आई इज इक्वल टू एंगल आर, सो इफ दिस इज द 30 डिग्री, then this will be again 30 degree. So the total angle will be the 60 degree. So answer will be 60 degree, and answer will be B 60 degree. This will be the answer. Now come to next question. When light is incident upon a rough surface, even microscopically rough, such as the page of the paper, it is reflected in many directions. It is called diffused reflection. It will be called diffused reflection. अगर शीशे का नहीं है, अगर पेपर का भी है, तो डेफिनेटली वो पूरा प्लेन नहीं होगा, और ऐसे में डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. देन आंसर विल बी B again. B. Second B. Answer will be second B. Now come to third. Which of the following source of light is different from others? Sunlight, sodium light, light from a bulb, and white light. White light, light from a bulb, and sunlight. These are all of the same category. But the sodium light, that is having the different category. So answer will be again B. Sodium light is having the different category. Okay. Fourth, part of the eye which control the light entering is called iris, cornea, lens, retina. That will be known as iris. Which control, iris means that is the contracting muscle which control the pupil. Iris control the pupil for the entering of the sufficient amount of the light. So answer will be 4 A, iris. And now come to question number 5. We can see non-luminous object when light. Options are emitted by the object, fall on the eye, is reflected from the object towards our eye, completely passes through the object and gets completely absorbed by the object. Emitted by the object, non-luminous object when light, is reflected from the object towards our eye. Okay, this will be the B. Again, answer will be B. 5B. Okay, 5B. Now come to 6. Question number 6. Two mirrors A and B are placed at right angles to each other shown in the figure. अब यहाँ पर सपोज कीजिए दो मिरर लगाए गए हैं, दो मिरर, एक मिरर ये है और इसके राइट एंगल पे एक मिरर ऐसे ये लगाए गए हैं, राइट? These two mirrors are there. A ray of light incidents on mirror A at an angle of 25 degree. एक इंसिडेंस रे आ रही है इधर और ये क्या बना रही है, ये 25 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है इससे,